I've been watching another channel, Allotment Diary, and I've saw them taking out some potatoes and then replanting them to get a second crop from the same ones, leaving the small potatoes attached. It's never even crossed my mind to do that, getting a second crop from the same pot, but yeah, we'll give it a try and we'll see what happens. Here we go. So I'm just going to do a quick potato reveal from these are the earlies, and I'm going to attempt to repot them afterwards if I can. We'll see how it goes. This tub might be a bit big for repotting though. Fingers crossed for some decent ones. I'm not seeing anything at the minute. Oh, there's one. There's one. They're all a bit small, nothing major. Trying to leave the tiny ones intact so that when they're repotted they'll grow up. Yeah, I think that's about it. It's just little ones there. Shove that back in the tub, let the compost back in. So this is what I managed to get. It'll do for tea tonight, but I think I've pulled that a bit early. I think they need more time to get bigger for the small ones. So I'll leave the other pot of earlies, probably another 3-4 weeks. But that'll do for tea. Do some new potatoes or something with it.